Sam's Club is already stocking spring 2026 greenhouses in the middle of some of these are selling out fast. First up, this backyard discovery 9x6 modern cedar greenhouse is featured at Sam's Club. Comes with a 5-year warranty, built-in power port hookups, which I'm really loving, and a temperature activated fan that literally cools your plants automatically. This thing is smart. Now, if you want to go big, check out the Backyard Discovery 12x7 slant roof greenhouse. You're getting 86 square feet of growing space, a built-in workstation, and it's engineered for heavy snow and high winds. This is not a toy greenhouse. Today I'm shopping at Sam's Club, checking out greenhouse deals and marked down rare houseplants. All right, guys, I am shopping at Sam's. We are about to have a winter blizzard, and I had a craving for salmon, so I'm in here at Sam's Club getting salmon. It's been years since I've been in Sam's Club, but I just wanted to show you the deals, the greenhouse. And then also, you know, you can't walk into a store without checking out their plants. Look at this, $10. Yes, you can actually take them home and rescue them. There's $9. Snake plants for $15. ZZ plants for $10. I have one of these, but this, look how healthy this is. I guess they're marking the plants down because of the cold, severe cold weather. As you can see, some of the plants are dying off, but there's a lot of good, healthy plants. For example, for $9, the Monstera for $9. This is a really good, healthy one. But I'm looking at this. My husband's gonna have a fit. I think I'm gonna take it. Have a fit only because I'm here for some fresh salmon, and of course I'm coming home with the plant. So right now this plant is in my cart. I don't know if I'm actually going to go home with it. I'm on one side. I'm going to make my way over to the other side. Come on, walk with me as I discover. Oh, look at this. Some calatheas. This is pretty healthy. Pretty good. All right, I'm gonna walk over to the other. And if you're ready for your spring garden, they've got their bulbs in and their fruit trees, dahlias. A pretty good deal. You guys, be safe out there with the winter storm coming upon us. But take advantage. If you're out and you're already at the stores, check out the plant section in every store, every warehouse that you're in today, and you will see that they've got some really good deals going on. I can't believe it. I'm on my way to the other side of the aisle to take advantage of these clearance markdown prices. Look at that. And it is $27. It looks pretty healthy to me. If you've been wanting to learn how to plant zinnias, check out Sam's Club. They've got the zinnia garden kit. Some peonies. There's a lot of healthy plants, but be careful because there are some calatheas that are pretty sad, but that's okay. For $8.83, you can take them home, rescue them, and revive them. Some really good prices, $24. Go ahead and take a rescue plant home today. There's some good prices. Some money trees. I purchased mine at Costco. It was marked down to $10. This one here, it's on clearance for $18.34 at Sam's Club. I mean, that's still a good deal, and they're pretty healthy. Here's a ficus rubber tree plant marked down for $13.86. Guys, if you are a plant mom, a plant lover, if you enjoy taking care of house plants while we are indoors, cozy inside during this winter blizzard, waiting for spring to come upon us, come on out and take advantage of these clearance markdown prices that are at your local Sam's Club and Costco's. Costco's is my favorite, but hey, when you have a craving for salmon and there is no other salmon made the way that you like but Sam's Club, you got to come out here. And why not check out the plant section and the garden section in your local store. 'Tis the season to start taking advantage. Garden center. So I got my salmon. I am gonna pick up one more item and then I'm gonna pick up this one drink for my husband. He loves these things. I don't know why, but gotta get one. That I picked up the salmon. I just love the way it's seasoned. A clearance find, $10 for the plant. Let's go. Do you rescue these plants and haul them home in the middle of an Arctic blast? What do you grab first? Spring deals now or wait for winter to end? For Easter, but look right next to it. Look at this, the ribbon for all my crafties, all my DIYs. Yes, they already have spring and Easter baskets out, plus spring ribbon rolls for super cheap. Even though it's still winter, Sam's is definitely ahead of the season. On the way out to the checkout line, they've got some huge pots. You don't need a huge backyard to grow your own food. You can start your spring vegetables indoors right now in simple pots. Got a small balcony or a sunny window? That's enough. Tomatoes, peppers, herbs, lettuce, carrots. They all do great in containers. Start them inside while it's cold. Yes, let them grow strong. Then move them outside when spring finally shows up. Growing food isn't about space, it's about starting. Small spots, large pots. Small balcony, big payoff. Would you try growing your own food this spring? Snow, we're supposed to get it later this evening, so I'm trying to get my salmon, get my stuff, and get out of here. Wrapping it up, heading to checkout. Music vibes. The deals are real, y'all. Seriously. Freezing out there. I just wanted to take you along. It's been a while since I've been to that store. I love shopping at Costco. 20 degrees outside. I can't believe it, but I'm headed home just in time because it has started to snow. I prepare my garden, my home year round for emergency preps. I have stocked up on everything that my family enjoys using. I have my seed preparation. I also ordered some new seeds for my 2026 spring, summer, fall, winter garden. I garden year round. We'll share that with you. The next video will be some of the seeds that I ordered from Baker's Creek, which was a really good deal. I think I only ordered 3 or 4 seeds from Johnny Seeds this year. That'll be an upcoming video. And then I'll also share some of the seeds that I've been seed saving. I collect my own seeds. I'll share that. I just wanted to bring you along on a quick little store run. That was fun, but it is freezing. Guys, be careful. Texas, Arkansas, Kansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, Virginia, Maryland, Pennsylvania, New York, New Jersey, New England. Everybody bracing for heavy snow. Warm, and don't try to go and get last minute preps. That's why we prep year round, so that you have plenty of time to prepare for situations that is coming. I need to get on the road. All right, you guys have a wonderful day and blessings. Stay blessed. As always, stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. I'll see you in my next video. Blessings. Hey, comment down below. Let us know how this historic winter storm is impacting your area right now. Spring is coming. Sam's just knows it early.